Hello, friends. Today we'll be making maple butter bars, and then we'll spend some time scenting the home for autumn, and you'll join me for tea. Maple butter bars require a two-step, but yet quite easy method. So now we'll begin by making the cookie base of this very um, delicious bar. I like to make sure that when I put the crumbs, this mixture within the baking pan, that I do so in lines so that when I press down on the space, that it offers me a more even baking process. Bake for 5 minutes at 350 degrees. While that bakes, we'll now make the top layer of this delicious recipe. I've placed the complete recipe in the description box. For this last step, we'll alternate the flour and half. Now bake for 30 to 35 minutes at 350 degrees. This is a simple recipe made with rice. Any additional herb or seeds that is highly scented, and essential oil. And that's it. I use cheesecloth for the top of these little jars. Here I'm adding cardamom seeds, chips of cinnamon sticks, cloves, green and black cardamom, cinnamon chips, dried bora berries. I added several types of essential oils to this mix. To start with orange cream, cloves, and essential oil of apple. This smells so lovely. I'll refresh these scents about once a month during the fall season. I save my high quality oils such as almond or jojoba for my skincare products. So for these diffusers, I'm simply using canola oil. I like the smell of orange cream essential oil, and for this reason, I'm adding it here again. So now that these are filled with the scented oil, I'll now add the tops, which is a string, and the flowers are made of paper, which absorbs the wonderful scent of this mixture. In last week's vlog, I spent some time in the early part of the morning gathering papaya, herb, and goldenrod. So now that those have completely dried, I now place them in these jars and I will top them off with some grapeseed oil and let them sit in the windowsill for about 6 weeks or so. Each day I'll be sure to shake these jars to be certain that the healing properties of these herbs is completely absorbed by the oil. O Lord, the world is artful to entrap, approaches in fascinating guise, extends many a gilded bait, presents many a charming face. Let my faith scan every painted bubble and escape every bewitching snare, in a victory that overcomes all things. In my duties give me firmness, energy, zeal, devotion to thy cause, courage in thy name, love as a working grace, and all commensurate with my trust. Thy word is full of promises, flowers of sweet fragrance, fruit of refreshing flavor, when called by faith. May I be made rich in its riches, be strong in its power, be happy in its joy, abide in its sweetness, feast on its preciousness, draw vigor from its manna. Lord, increase my faith. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing and remember to ring the bell so that you may be notified when I upload a new video. Either way, you are welcome here always. God bless.